All right, we're going to quickly graph a system of linear equations. I'm going to show you two of them today. If you have not watched my graphing lines video, you'd want to watch that first because I have the 3 steps for graphing a line in slope-intercept form on a separate video. Here we go. We're going to just jump right in. All right, our first system, it says solve each system by graphing. To solve a system by graphing, you are graphing the two lines on the same coordinate plane and then finding the point where they meet. So we're going to just jump right in. The very first line is y equals 2 times x plus 4. We start off by graphing our intercept of positive 4. The slope on that line is 2, which really means that m is 2 over 1 for our rise over our run. On this particular graph, I can't go up 2 and over 1. It would be off the chart. So I'm going to do exactly the opposite, which is down 2 and backwards 1. Down 2 and backwards 1. Down 2 and backwards 1. And I'll be able to draw this line nice and neat. Remember, when you draw a line, arrowheads on both ends. I should have extended that further just in case one of my points where they meet is down here. I hope I didn't mess up. Graphing the second line, my intercept is -3, so I plot my -3. My slope for this one is a -5, which means that slope is really -5 over 1. Once again, if I try to go down 5 and over 1 on this graph, it'll be off my chart. So I need to do exactly the opposite and go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and backwards 1. And you can see that if I tried to follow the pattern, I'm going to be off the chart. So I'm forced to draw my line between just those 2 points. The more points you can graph, the more accurate your line will be when you put the straight edge on it. There is my second line. And so solving means actually giving the answer. Well, the answer is the ordered pair where the 2 lines meet. So this ordered pair is -1, 2, and the answer to this problem is -1, 2. Okay. All right, our second example right here. We're going to graph this system. Both of my slopes for these are 2 over 1. And then I have 2 different intercepts. So I'm going to start with the top one. Y equals 2 times x minus 2. I plot my -2. I use my slope as a rise over a run, up 2 over 1. Again, draw my line. And graphing my second one, my intercept is +4 this time. Just like before, if I tried to go up 2 over 1, I am off the chart, so I'm going to do exactly the opposite. Instead of going up and to the right, I'm going to go down and to the left. So down 2 and backwards 1, down 2 and backwards 1. Draw my line. And you're going to see very quickly that these 2 lines do not meet. Okay? They appear to be parallel. And if you are graphing a system and the lines are parallel, we say no solution. This is because they'll never touch at a point, so you can't give an ordered pair answer. This is a 1 solution. This is a no solution. If you happen to graph a line and then graph the second line, and it graphs right on top of the first line, we call that one infinitely many solutions. Graphing systems. See you later.